This is a demonstration of how to make an origami sailboat. These are the directions. When you're done, it'll look something like this, and it's going to have a little tab on the back so that it can stand up on its own. Doesn't look like much there, but this is what it will look like while it's standing up. It will look like that, having one sail shorter than the other. You're going to need one piece of paper, 160-pound piece of paper, and your bone folder. Start by folding your paper so that it turns into a square. That top edge folding over to meet the side edge. Make sure that your edges are as closely lined up as possible. Use your bone folder to make a nice strong crease, and you're going to cut this bottom part off so that you have a square. I always like to fold it back right along that line so I have a nice fold to follow, and then you can use your bone folder, or you can use a scissors. You can cut on that crease, or you can use a bone folder, and I actually have my butter knife that cuts nicely like that. Okay, so you're going to start with this. Now, the directions are a little more complicated. They show you step by step how to fold and unfold and fold and unfold. I'm going to show you the easy way. You fold your square so that it's a rectangle. Use your bone folder, make it a nice strong crease. Then fold your rectangle back into a square so it's a smaller square. And when you open that up, you're going to have 4 small squares, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then flip your paper over. Yes, it's important to flip your paper over. Fold it back into this tall triangle. Okay. Use your bone folder to recrease it so you're changing that fold. And you're going to fold it from right to left and to make another triangle. And this, what we're folding right now, is called a bird base. It's used for making birds and other kind of two-legged things in origami. Now what you're going to do is simply open it up. I'm going to turn it now like this so the triangle's folded edge is up here and the open edge is down here. You can see how I'm sticking my hand in. Then I'm going to take this corner, this far corner over here, and tuck it underneath so that this corner is coming down to meet up with this X. Okay, so I'm going to just kind of keep my left hand on this side, lift up with my thumb underneath. I'm going to tuck this edge in and fold it in. So now you see I can slide my bone folder in this way. I'm going to hold my right hand down here and lift up with my thumb and tuck the left edge inside so that I have this kind of diamond shape with the open edge pointing towards my belly and the folded edge pointing kind of up. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to take this bottom triangle, fold it up so that it matches your top triangle, fold with your bone folder, and flip it over and do the same thing. Fold this up here, this bottom triangle, fold it up so that it meets, fold with your bone folder, and now you're going to rotate it so that the two little sail parts are sticking up. Now we're going to fold this left one so that it's a lower sail. Okay, the way to do this is to fold it so that the crease is going to end up right here, right along the bottom of this boat piece. You're going to fold it down, all the way down, like that. Fold it with your bone folder nice and hard. Then you're going to fold it back up. We're going to make a crease about right here, just so it's a little bit lower than the fold we just made. You're going to fold it straight up. Now you can fold it so that it's parallel with the other sail. You can fold it so it's a little crooked with the other sail so that it kind of looks like you're tacking or something, if you know your sailboating terminology. You can make that artistic decision. Okay, but whatever you do, however you fold it, crease it really well with your bone folder so you got a nice hard crease right along there. Okay, now you're going to unfold this sail all the way up. I'm unfolding it. Now this is the tricky part. It's just like the basic duck, which by this point you should have already learned. You're going to open this edge up. You can see I'm sticking my finger in here. You're going to open it up. You're going to fold this top triangle. This is our sail. You're going to fold it all the way in. You're going to kind of close it. Okay, so we've kind of hidden that sail inside. Now you're going to just take this little tip right here, and you're going to hold your index finger inside to hold that sail in. And you're going to pop the other part back out and then fold it back down. So now you've got your sail hidden inside this little pocket right here. Okay, and I'm going to turn it, and that's kind of what it looks like. You see how it's creased here so that it is hidden. Now the last part is you're going to fold this triangle down here. You're going to fold it so the tip of the triangle meets with the edge of the boat. Fold it nice and hard with your bone folder so the crease stands up well. And now this little tab here, you pull it down just a bit, and that's going to help it stand up so you can kind of see here's our boat, okay, and here's the tab. I'm just going to kind of move this a little bit and show it to you from the other angle. So if I take my camera now and twist it, you can see that it stands up like that. And so if you look at it now from the back, you can see that little tab on the back holding the boat up. Okay, and that is our origami sailboat.